Hey, what's going on, gamers? 17 years here. Today we are doing chapter 19. Yes, guys, we're back with Skylanders Adventure. Sorry for the long wait. I've been getting a lot of support on my Skylander videos, which I'm actually kind of glad about. Which I kind of want to thank you guys so much for the support and everything. But first, I do need to see how much coins I need for Zap. What I can do, if I could just go over here, maybe get some money. All right, let's go over here. Oh, Ring Safari. That was weird. Just when I heard something really weird. Alright, before we start the chapter, I do want to see how much money I need for Zap. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm gonna record 2 chapters today, and tomorrow. I'm gonna record all the way till like maybe half of the second game. Just to the fact that Swap Force Trap Team is coming like in 10 days, guys. By the time you guys see this, probably 8 or 9. But yeah. Alright, so we need $3,520 to upgrade Zap, fully upgrade Zap. So we need to do that, obviously. So we are going to go to our next chapter.
Are you ready to go to,
Oh, damn it.
TikTok, into the world and all that?
Yeah, I know it's the end of the world. I accidentally just pressed the wrong button.
You ready to go to the...
Let's go. Oh, so, okay, so I do not want to get the achievements, guys, by the way. I'm just gonna go right straight to the story. I do really want to fully upgrade my Skylanders, though. We are going to do that by the time Trap Team comes out. I mean, I'm not gonna be getting Trap Team for a while. I mean, I'm getting it for, like, Christmas. But what I really want to do is, like, end the Skylander series soon. Well, not end it, but just maybe do it like later. By the way, guys, Skylander Adventures, I'm gonna be doing like my first impressions in a separate series on Trap Team. Skylanders Adventures is just a series where I try to fully upgrade every single Skylander, going through chapters and everything. So that's pretty much what it's called anyways. And by the time I like finish Trap Team and the 5th game hasn't come out or something. Okay, Skylanders of the Undead Element. Take out Zap. Put him here. So if we just put this Skylander there, press the back button to see what upgrades she needs. She needs these 3. So, alright. Nothing back here. Alright. Get some coins. Alright. Alright, choo-choo, yeah. Alright, let's continue. We're almost finishing the first game, actually, guys, which is actually kind of exciting because we just need the fire source and then we need the magic one.
Oh, what a surprise! Need to find another lever. Ha! Who built this thing anyway? They know nothing of mole engineering.
They know nothing about mole engineering. They know how to freaking distract Skylander. Oh god. Come on. Step back. There. Wait a minute. found a soul gem, and that's Eruptors. Alright, awesome. So we found an Eruptor soul gem. Oh. Alright, let's go through here. Let's have to flip this lever. Yeah. I think I had to flip this lever in order for that to go down. Nope. Oh yeah, I'll have to go like past through here, and then it will let me go back through there. So, yeah. Alright, I was thinking of doing a live stream for chapter 19, but I was like, you know what, nah, because there's no point of just me doing a live stream of chapter 19 when it's gonna be like 20 or 30 minutes long.
This gate leads to the Crystal Grottos, but it's locked. See if you can find a lever to open it.
Can't let Hex die. So if we let Hex die. Ouch. Let me see what's over here. Treasure chest! Hex, it's all for you. Oh my gosh, guys. We have 5,000 coins for Hex. Oh god. Now go over here. See what's over here. Another treasure chest? Guys, we're finding so much money for Hex. Hex is on a money spree. Legendary treasure. And now she gets like 700 gold for this. 950, guys, we're so close to getting 10k money for freaking Hex. If we do it in this one game, gameplay, that's bomb right there. That's really bomb. Oh yeah, I already did this. So alright, let me go up here and flip this lever. Alright. I'm probably not gonna get 10k coins for freaking thing. Alright, what's it called? Do I even have a fire Skylander to upgrade? Yeah, I do. I actually have igniter to upgrade. So yeah, that's good, right?
What happened here? The track's been sabotaged.
Go Shanks.
This looks like a job for a mole. Push those giant stone blocks to bridge the gaps, then I'll build new tracks on top of them. Don't worry, I'm making sure the train is safe.
Story scrolls.
Skyland.
That's perfect. Now let's see if you can plug the gaps in the lower section.
This. Right, I got that. I have to do that, to that, to that. What? Are you serious? Great. To that. Oh god. That to that. Push this one over here.
How's it going down there?
Good, I mean, I already put all the things. Oh, I have to go down here. Yeah, I have to go down here and fix it now. Yep. That. Do that. Do that. Then that. Then that. Then that. That. And that. Go all the way up here. This. There we go.
Well done, Skylander. We make one heck of a team. I'll repair the broken tracks, and we'll be off. That's perfect. Now let's see if you can plug the gaps in the lower section. Okay, done. Would have been quicker if you had helped, but it's fine. Let's move.
Train is chasing after freaking Glumshanks.
Skylanders of the fire element.
Here we are, the lava lakes. Let's split up. I'll keep this train running while you go find the eternal fire source. Wish me luck.
Alright. United, welcome to your home planet. Oh god. I felt like doing that. I don't know why. Alright. Yeah, there's the fire eternal source. Oh, you little douchebag. Come back here. Alright, come on. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh god. Thought I was stuck for a sec. I was like. What the heck? Good. Are you serious? Can I just walk on fire? You guys may be calling hacks right now. I bet you guys comment down below like hacks. Alright, there we go. Alright. Here we go. Time to get the fire source.
I don't know how you did it before, but not this time. The eternal fire source is mine, I tell you. Mine!
That's what you said in every source.
Mine!
Ready, aim, fire!
Just because I haven't got the achievement in a while. Well, not in a while, but I just never got the achievement. Alright, so let me see. Is this squirt? No, okay, that's squirt. Alright, come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, stop. Come on, get the food, no.
Hey! You extinguished my pyro archer! Now that really burns me up!
Come on. So B squirt. Okay, that sounds wrong, but I don't care.
Turn up the heat. Ah!
Alright, good. That's squirt. No, X is squirt. Okay, X is squirt. Wait. I have a confession. Do I have to get her? Like. Wait a minute. Oh. Big chaos, evil minions, and with only Guggen's power holes. Okay.
You stand still, will you? Why won't you let me torch you?
Wait. I have to check something real quick. Yeah, but that was primary. You know what? Whatever.
All that means is that you now get to face my faithful evil phoenix dragon.
Oh, this one's a pain in the ass.
It's got a
Yeah, freaking sunburn is a pain in the ass. Alright, let's do this. Come on. I know we can. Alright, Skippy, you were talking. Alright, press X. Remember, Joel. Come on, come on. Oh god. Don't die. Oh! Eat it, eat it. No! What? No, come on. Gilgrunt, you have to eat it.
My evil Phoenix Dragon. What did he ever do to you?
He messed up my life. You messed it up. That's what he done. I have no school tomorrow, which is I'm kind of glad about. I've been waiting till this day. Get the melon, get the melon. Okay. Just remember, X is power holes. Oh god. Ouch. Ow, ow. No! No! Oh my god! Gilgrunt, please don't die! Please don't die right now! Please don't die! Please don't! Gilgrunt, you're such a nice person. Until now. Why you fail me, you stupid little mother freaking fish. Freaking no, he is freaking annoying. Now I can't get the freaking achievement because of you. He does.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
Very well. You leave me no choice.
Wait a minute. Why didn't I not think? Actually, no. Actually, yeah. But I don't want to keep the video too long. But I don't really want to. But I just, whatever. You know what? Just put it.
Evil Eruptor will shake you up.
Ready to rock.
Fear the dark.
Come on.
I don't understand it. My evil eruptor suffering from aftershocks. No matter. There's no way you can stand up to my fire spells and all three of my minions at once.
In the line of fire!
Well, there goes Hex, Gilgrunt. Neither you failed me. Now it's up to Zap. Zap, I believe in you. For Sparta! Alright, Flamesinger's dead. Sun Eruptor's dead. Sunburn's dead.
Oh no! Okay, you may have claimed the eternal fire source, but there is still one more piece left. And let me assure you, I, Heroes, am not giving up Skylands that easily.
We did it, lo hicimos, we did it. Fire Eternal Source is now ours. So if you did like the video, guys, hit that like button. It will let me know you guys would like to see some more Skylanders, Spyro's Adventures. I almost said Call of Duty, but whatever. But if you did like the video, guys, hit that like button. It will let me know you guys would like to see some more. And see you guys next time. Peace out, gamers.